This video is a step-by-step guide on how to uncrate your linear crafted Lumacast fire feature. Here are the items that you'll need. A torque screwdriver tool with a T20 size star bit, safety gloves, and you'll want a small container to safely store removed screws for reuse or disposal. This process will be done using 2 people at minimum. First, with your driver in hand, start by removing the screws facing up on the top plywood sheet. Next, remove the top plyboard and store it in a safe area for disposal or reuse. Then, unscrew and remove one of the larger side panels from the crate and place in a safe area. Now, remove the smaller end panels of the crate, placing the sheets in a safe area. Remove the protective styrofoam from the top of the fire feature. This will expose the fire burner system. With 2 people, lift the burner system with the protective foam sheet that's lying underneath the burner plate. Gently carry the burner plate to a safe, flat area to protect the burner system. Next, remove any gas line tubing, hardware, and paperwork from the bottom of the fire feature shell and store this with your fire burner system in a safe area. Then, carefully remove the bags of infill media and place them in a secure area. The bags can weigh up to 50 pounds or roughly 23 kilograms, so please use correct lifting techniques to avoid injury. Linear fire features up to 72 inches can be comfortably carried by 2 people. However, some of our linear fire features can weigh up to 550 pounds or roughly 250 kilograms. So please plan accordingly to have the proper number of capable people using proper lifting techniques to safely move your fire feature. Lifting from the bottom of the fire feature, place your grip around the integrated handholds located around the fire feature's toe kick. Lift up and move your fire feature to its final resting area for installation. You can discard or reuse any of the crating material as you see fit. If you have any further questions, please call during normal business hours or email us at any time. Thanks for watching.